How are you? I hope all are good. Today, let me start Unit GK, Chapter number 30, Language Word Sound. Okay, so question number 1. A poem or speech usually at the beginning of a play which introduces the contents. So it is prologue. Prologue. This one. Okay. And the next question is a figure of speech that combines contradictory terms. So it is oxymoron. This is oxymoron. Okay. Number 3. Use of the same sound or letter at the beginning of words that are close together in a paras or sentences. So it is alliteration. This is. Okay. Number 4. The rules of grammar that describes the way words and phrases are put together form sentences in a language. It is syntax. So where is syntax? This is. This one is syntax. Okay. Number 5. Language that creates pictures in the minds of people reading or listening. Okay. Number 6. Use of exaggerated language to stress upon the importance of something. Use of exaggerated language to stress. So this is hyperbole. This one is here. Okay? Hyperbole. Bole. Number 7. Short text of honor on a gravestone. Epitaph. This is epitaph. Here. Okay. And the next one is number 8. A piece of writing that uses humor to bring out faults in a person or an institution or some idea. So it is satire. A figure of speech in which one thing is described in terms of another. So this is simile. SIMILE. So I think this is not here. So हम इसको ना यहीं पे mention कर देते हैं. हम लिख देते हैं इसको. The answer is SIMILE. Okay? Simile. Everyone, so the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 31. Chills and thrills. Thriller is a genre of literature, film, and television programming that uses suspense, tension, and excitement as its main elements. So, pick the correct option. Number 1, Captain Arthur Hastings is a friend of Hercule Poirot. Number 2, Perry Mason's secretary is A or B? It is A. Della Street. In which lane Fleming novel does James Bond first appear? This is Casino Royale. He is a dealer in curious and antique jewelry and on a shop in Nancy Drew's hometown. This is B. Same Weatherby. Identify these famous writers of thrillers and mysteries and their popular creations. Number 1. He created the series of adventures about brothers cum detectives titled The Hardy Boys. So this is Edward Stratemeyer. Edward Straight Mayor. Number 2, he is a defense attorney in the detective fiction authored by Alice Stanley Gardner. So it is this Perry Mason. The famous Bond series was authored by which famous writer? Robert Created by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, this famous detective operated from his apartment or study in Scarlet is among the most famous stories in which he appears. Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes. Okay, everyone. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 32. Full form and short form. Fill in the blanks in this quiz on the full forms and abbreviations of some well-known international organization. Number 1, Environmental Protection Agency. So it is EPA. Association of Southeast Asian Nations. So ASEAN. 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 Amnesty International. So this is AI. Now number 4, ये short form है, इसका यहाँ पे हमें full name लिखना है. So it is Federal Emergency Management Association. ये यहाँ पे आएगा नहीं पूरा. Association. Number 5, ISO. This is International Organization for Standardization. ISO, this is International Organization. International Organization for Standardization. Standardization. Okay. World Copyright Treaty, WCT. Missile Technology Control Regime. So MTCR. MTCR. Number 8, UNDP, United Nation Number 9, ICJ. This is International Court of Justice. International Court of Justice. Number 10, DPKO, Department of Peace. bookkeeping operation. Okay. Now, question number B, tick the correct option. Number 1, FAO, this is Food and Agriculture Organization, this one. Number 2, what is the full form of GDP? This is Gross Domestic Product, this. Number 3, MNC, Multinational Corporation. Okay, everyone, so the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 33. From time to time, new words and phrases that come to be widely used in our everyday communication are included in the English dictionary. So, hidden in the grid on the next page are some words and phrases. Read the clues and guess them. Circle the words on the grid and fill them in the boxes beneath the clues. So, one has been done for you. So, one who uses technology with great ease, tech savvy. Then number 2, a brief but refreshing sleep during the work day that provides energy to work longer and more efficiently. So this is power nap. Power nap. A fit of anger by the driver of an automobile, especially towards another motorist or pedestrian, often resulting in quarrel or violence. So this is road rage. Number 4, a motto or a principle that is supposed to guide one's action. So this is mantra. MANTRA. Number 5, a humorous phrases to describe the orderly postal system in comparison to electronic mail. So this is snail mail. What is it? SNALL MAIL. A blog that contains video material. This is vlog. A person who tends to worry habitually and often needlessly. So this is worrywart. Number 8, a computer controlled by a hacker without the honest knowledge, which is made to send large quantities of data to a website, making it inaccessible to others. This is zombie. OMBIE. An important feature of a tool or gadget ensuring that it can be used with ease. So this is user friendly. Okay. Number 10. A feeling of having experienced something before while experiencing it for the first time. So this is deja vu. A reincarnation in human form or a computer user's representation of the self. So this is avatar. TAR. Relating to or concerned with rules of the complete system rather than parts. So this is holistic. A large movie theatre complex with several separate screens. A person who stays at home and takes care of the house and family, so she's homemaker. No need. So the chapter of this unit, all these chapters have been done. So I hope you all are very well understand these chapter. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.